Okay, hey, my name is Gary Cleveland. Here we go. I'm going to show you a new trick real quick I've been working on. This is static traditional grip to palm fan. Looks just like that. Alright, here we go. So this trick is called the Hot LZ. That was it right there. You're looking for snap aerial to palm fan. Missed that. So if you want to learn this, that's the tornado opening. If you want to learn that, I do have a tutorial for that. First trick you want to learn is the Huey, which I just failed at, but the Huey, look up a tutorial for a trick called the Huey. What you're looking for with the Huey is a snap aerial that ends up looking like a helicopter. It's going to make 2 revolutions. With the Hot LZ, all you're really trying to do is land that in the palm fan. Keep that same, you know, there it is right there exactly. And I missed the catch, but still, you see what I'm saying. Just like that, exactly. Okay, so Hot LZ, I'll probably put out a tutorial for this, give you the couple little tips that are helping me out. I am just still kind of trying to dial this thing in, but pretty cool trick. Snap aerial to palm fan. And tornado. Don't forget the tornado. Maybe that'll come back. Alright, we'll see you guys soon. Hit me up with questions. Stay cool.